Welcome children. Now we are in the 7th part of हरिहर काका. अब हरिहर काका पुनः अपने भाइयों के परिवार के साथ रहने लगे थे. Now हरिहर काका again, पुनः means again he started staying with his brother's family. इस बार उन्हें दालान पर नहीं, घर के अंदर रखा गया था, किसी बहुमूल्य वस्तु की तरह, संजोकर छिपाकर. This time he was kept as a precious thing. Now he was staying inside the house. First he was staying in a room which was outer part of the house. Now he was kept inside the house in a room and like a precious thing. उनकी सुरक्षा के लिए रिश्ते नाते में जितने सूरमा थे सबको बुला लिया गया था. So in his family, whoever was well built up, they called everyone. हथियार जुटा लिए गए थे. They collected all weapons also. 24 घंटे पहरे दिए जाने लगे थे. 24 hours they used to guard him. इधर ठाकुरबाड़ी का दृश्य भी बदल गया था. एक से एक खूंखार लोग ठाकुरबाड़ी में आ गए. Now the scenario of ठाकुरबाड़ी also changed. Now very different kind of people started staying in ठाकुरबाड़ी. They all were very dangerous kind of people. उन्हें देखकर ही डर लगता था. By seeing itself they were very dangerous. गांव के बच्चों ने तो ठाकुरबाड़ी की ओर जाना ही बंद कर दिया था. And the small children of the village, they stopped going towards ठाकुरबाड़ी. हरिहर काका को लेकर गांव प्रारंभ से ही दो वर्गों में बट गया. So from the beginning, in Harihar Kaka's case, the whole village, it was divided into two parts, two groups. इस नई घटना को लेकर दोनों तरफ से प्रतिक्रियाएं व्यक्त की जाने लगी. And after this new incident, people started, a new kind of reaction was coming out from people. और अब हरिहर काका एक सीधे साधे और भोले किसान की अपेक्षा चतुर और ज्ञानी हो चले थे. And now हरिहर काका, he was a very simple man. Instead of that, now he was considered as a very intelligent man, intelligent and clever man. वह महसूस करने लगे थे कि उनके भाई अचानक उनको जो आदर सम्मान और सुरक्षा प्रदान करने लगे हैं, उसकी वजह उन लोगों के साथ उनका सगे भाई का संबंध नहीं बल्कि उनकी जायदाद है. So now he came to know that his brothers are guarding him, they are giving him protection all the time. The reason is not because he is his own brother, but बल्कि उनकी जायदाद है. But the property, the reason was property, not the relationship. अन्यथा वे उनको पूछते तक नहीं. Otherwise they'll not be taking care of him. इसी गांव में जायदादहीन भाई को कौन पूछता है? In this village, a person who is not having any property, no one is coming near to him. हरिहर काका को अब सब नजर आने लगा था. And now हरिहर काका was very clearly able to see everything. He was able to understand everything. महंत की चिकनी चुपड़ी बातों के भीतर की सच्चाई भी अब वह जान गए थे. So now he know about the Mahant also. The way he was talking, whatever he was talking, he know now about about the Mahant, that how clever man he was. ठाकुर वह अपना और अपने जैसे साधुओं का पेट पालता है. On the name of God, he is making money for himself and his followers. उसे धर्म और परामर्श से कोई मतलब नहीं। He is least bothered of religion, God and all. निजी स्वार्थ के लिए साधु होने और पूजा पाठ करने का ढोंग रचाया है. So he is very selfish, and to fulfill his selfishness only, he has become sadhu, and he is doing all these drama of doing pujas. साधु के बाने में महंत, पुजारी और उनके अन्य सहयोगी लोभी, लालची और कुकर्मी हैं. साधु के बाने में, so they are in the disguise of sadhu, mahant, pujari, but actually they all are selfish and bad people, greedy people. छल बल कल, किसी भी तरह धन अर्जित कर बिना परिश्रम किए आराम से रहना चाहते हैं. छल बल कल means by using strength or by using other ways, they only want to collect money, more and more money for them, and not to do any work. They want to lead a comfortable life without any hard work. अपने घृणित इरादों को छुपाने के लिए ठाकुरबाड़ी को इन्होंने माध्यम बनाया है. And to do such bad or illegal work, they are taking the name of God and doing all these things. They are hiding by taking God's name and doing all the criminal activities. एक ऐसा माध्यम जिस पर अविश्वास न किया जा सके. And the medium which they have chosen is God. And people cannot, they believe in God, so they cannot, it is easy to make people fool on the name of God. इसलिए हरिहर काका ने मन ही मन तय कर लिया कि, so now हरिहर काका he decided, अब महंत को वे अपने पास फटकने तक नहीं देंगे. He decided that now he will never allow Mahant to come near him. साथ ही अपनी जिंदगी में अपनी जायदाद भाइयों को भी नहीं लिखेंगे. At the same time, till he is alive, he will not write his property in the name of his brothers. अन्यथा फिर वह दूध की मक्खी हो जाएंगे. Otherwise again he will be thrown as a fly. He will be thrown out of the mill as a fly, and nobody will take care of him. लोग निकाल कर फेंक देंगे. People will also not take care of him. कोई उन्हें पूछेगा तक नहीं. बुढ़ापे का दुख बिताए नहीं बीतेगा. Nobody will take care of him, and in old age he will suffer more. लेकिन हरिहर काका सोच कुछ और रहे थे और वातावरण कुछ दूसरा ही तैयार हो रहा है. But हरिहर काका was thinking something else, but another kind of situation was arising. ठाकुरबाड़ी से जिस दिन उन्हें वापस लाया गया था, उसी दिन से उनके भाई और रिश्ते नाते के लोग समझने लगे थे कि विधिवत अपनी जायदाद वे अपने भतीजों के नाम लिख दें. But the day he was brought back from Thakurbadi, from that day all the brothers, they were brothers and relatives, they were believing that Harihar Kaka should write his property or should give his property to his brothers and brothers' son. वह जब तक ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तब तक महंत की गिद्ध दृष्टि उनके ऊपर लगी रहेगी. Till he is not doing this, the Mahant will be keep on chasing him. सिर पर मंडरा रहे तूफान से मुक्ति पाने के लिए उनके समक्ष अब यही एकमात्र रास्ता है, and this is the only option for him to get rid of this danger. सुबह दोपहर शाम रात गए तक यही चर्चा. From morning, afternoon, evening, night, this was the only topic for discussion. लेकिन हरिहर काका साफ नकार जाते. But हरिहर काका will completely, he will completely refuse this. कहते मेरे बाद तो मेरी जायदाद इस परिवार को स्वतः मिल जाएगी. स्वतः means automatically. So he will say, after my life the property will automatically go to this family. इसलिए लिखने का कोई अर्थ नहीं. So writing is meaningless. महंत ने अंगूठे के जो जबरन निशान लिए हैं उसके खिलाफ मुकदमा हमने किया ही है. And the thumb impression which was taken by the Mahant forcefully, already we have filed a case against him. भाई जब समझाते समझाते हार गए तब उन्हें डांटना और दबाव देना शुरू किया. So the brothers, they kept on requesting him, but finally when they all got tired of it, they started scolding him, and now they started pressurizing him. लेकिन काका इस रास्ते भी राजी नहीं हुए. But by this way, or doing all these things this way also, Harihar Kaka was not agreeing. He didn't accept. स्पष्ट कह दिया कि अपनी जिंदगी में वह नहीं लिखेंगे. So very clearly he said that in his life he will not write his property to anyone. बस एक रात उनके भाइयों ने वही रूप धारण कर लिया जो रूप महंत और उनके सहयोगियों ने धारण किया था. So finally his brothers, they also treated him how the Mahant treated him. The same way they also treated him. हरिहर काका को अपनी आंखों पर विश्वास नहीं हुआ. हरिहर काका was not able to believe all these things. उनके वही अपने सगे भाई जो उनकी सेवा और सुरक्षा में तैयार रहते थे. He was not able to believe that his own brothers, who were always ready to help him, to take care of him and to give safety, who were safeguarding him, always ready for him, उन्हें अपना अभिन्न समझते थे. And they used to think him as his own, जो उनकी नींद ही सोते और जागते थे. Who were sleeping with him and getting up with him. हथियार लेकर उनके सामने खड़े थे. They are standing in front of him with weapons. कह रहे थे सीधे मन से कागजों पर जहां जहां जरूरत है अंगूठे के निशान बनाते चलो. So they were asking him to put thumb impression wherever they are asking him on the paper. Wherever they are asking him to put the thumb impression, he should do that. अन्यथा मार कर यहीं घर के अंदर गाड़ देंगे. Or else they will kill him and they will bury him here itself inside the house. गांव के लोगों को कोई सूचना तक नहीं मिलने पाएगी. And the villagers, they will never come to know about it. अगर पहले वाली बात होती तो हरिहर काका डर जाते. But if this will be the first time, then it can scare हरिहर काका. अज्ञान की स्थिति में ही मनुष्य मृत्यु से डरते हैं. So if a person, knowledgeable person, is not afraid of death, if the knowledge is missing only, he will be afraid of death. ज्ञान होने के बाद तो आदमी आवश्यकता पड़ने पर मृत्यु को वरण करने के लिए तैयार हो जाता है. After getting the knowledge, person is ready to accept his death. हरिहर काका ने सोच लिया कि ये सब एक ही बार उन्हें मार दे, वह ठीक होगा. So now हरिहर काका he decided that let them kill me one time itself. लेकिन अपनी जमीन लिखकर रमेसर की विधवा की तरह शेष जिंदगी वे घुट घुट कर मरे, यह ठीक नहीं होगा. But in after writing his property to his giving his property to his brothers, he don't want to lead such a life where he has given example of a widow, of a person named Rameshar, his widow, who wrote her property to her relatives, and after that her life was like a hell. So he didn't wanted to lead such a life. He already decided that now whatever happens, even if they kill me, I am ready to die, but I will not give my property in my life to anyone. Own brothers. रमेसर की विधवा को बहला फुसलाकर उसके हिस्से की जमीन रमेसर के भाइयों ने लिखवा ली. So Ramesar is the name of a person whose widow was his brothers. They somehow managed to make that lady to give her property, write the property in Ramesar's brother's name. शुरू में तो उसका खूब आदर मान किया. So in the beginning they used to take care of her, they used to respect her. लेकिन बुढ़ापे में उसे दोनों जूनखाना देते उन्हें अखरने लगा. But towards her old age, they were not giving her food properly. अंत में तो उसकी वह दुर्गति हुई कि गांव के लोग देखकर सिहर जाते. And her last part of her life was a big example. It was such a big miserable death that it became an example for everyone. हरिहर काका को लगता है कि अगर रमेसर की विधवा ने अपनी जमीन नहीं लिखी होती तो अंत समय तक लोग उसके पांव पखारते होते. So Harihar Kaka believes that if she will not be giving her property to her brother-in-laws, then till her death people will be taking care of her. हरिहर काका गुस्से में खड़े हो गए और गरजते हुए कहा, मैं अकेला हूँ, तुम सब इतने हो. He got angry, he stood and he started shouting, but I am alone. You people, you are so many in number. ठीक है, मुझे मार दो, मर जाऊंगा, लेकिन जीते जी एक धूर जमीन भी तुम्हें नहीं लिखूंगा. He said, okay, kill me. You people are so many in number. Kill me. I am ready to die, but I am not going to write 1 inch of my property to anyone. My land, I am not ready to give inch of land to anyone. तुम सब ठाकुरबाड़ी के महंत पुजारी से तनिक भी कम नहीं. You people are not less than the महंत पुजारी of ठाकुरबाड़ी. देखते हैं कैसे नहीं लिखोगे, लिखना तो तुम्हें है ही, चाहे हंस के लिखो या रो के. Now they started forcing him and they said, we'll see that how you are not writing your property in our name, whether you agree or not, but you have to do it. हरिहर काका के साथ उनके भाइयों की हाथापाई शुरू हो गई. Now they started fighting, they started beating him. हरिहर काका अब उस घर से निकलकर बाहर गांव में भाग जाना चाहते थे. Now Harihar Kaka wanted to run away from that house and come out of the village. लेकिन उनके भाइयों ने उन्हें मजबूती से पकड़ लिया था. But his brothers were catching him very tightly. प्रतिकार करने पर अब वे प्रहार भी करने लगे थे. And now he started shouting, so they started beating him. अकेले हरिहर कई लोगों से जूझ सकने में असमर्थ थे. And he was unable to fight with so many people. फलस्वरूप उन्होंने अपनी रक्षा के लिए खूब जोर जोर से चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया. So he started shouting very loudly to get help. अब भाइयों को चेत आया कि मुंह तो उन्हें पहले ही बंद कर देना चाहिए था. Now his brothers, they realized that first they should close his mouth. उन्होंने तत्क्षण उन्हें पटक उनके मुंह में कपड़ा ठोस दिया. तत्क्षण means that very moment they उन्हें पटक. They made him to lie on the floor and they started putting cloth in his mouth. लेकिन ऐसा करने से पहले ही काका की आवाज गांव में पहुंच गई थी. But before doing this, Harihar Kaka's sound, it reached to the villages. टोला पड़ोस के लोग दलान में जुटने लगे. And all the neighbors, they started collecting inside the house. ठाकुर बाड़ी के पक्षधर के माध्यम से तत्काल यह खबर महंत जी तक भी चली गई थी. And the people who were the follower of Mahant, because of them, this news, it went to Mahant also.